going out there and helping them. They know.
Yeah, a lot of
what
the
it can do
agencies here, not just them, but a lot of agencies here along the Suncoast up
Right.
there helping them out. And you know, this weekend they were down in the 40s there, so they went from heat to the cold
right,
there
you
real
said
quick. So things are getting back slowly to normal as far as weather goes. For us here, we're getting back to more average temperatures now. Maybe a little bit warmer over the next couple of days, and another cold front comes through. Beautiful. This was in the Holmes Beach, but this was Sarasota Bay right there. Beautiful shot from our ABC7 tower cam as we watch the sun go down below the horizon, below the clouds that were out there. A little cloudiness well offshore. And some great and wonderful photos sent in from Sydney Desmond. Nice shot from Siesta right there. Pretty calm conditions. Warm up this week. We talked about that earlier. We're going to see temperatures back into the mid 80s with the humidity coming back into play. That's what's been so nice. It's been so comfortable out there with the lower moisture content in the lower part of the atmosphere. Another front arrives on Friday. Yes, it will bring us some rainfall and yes, some cooler temperatures to follow behind it. And then a hurricane is out there in the Atlantic. It's getting stronger, but no threat to land, and doesn't appear it will be over the next couple of days. Could cause some problems into England and Ireland down the end of this work week. For us, high pressure, as I mentioned, in control right now over the southeast. It will eventually get bumped out of here and a place to the east of the state, which will bring us more of a southeasterly wind flow on Wednesday, and that will start to bring our humidity values back up a little bit, and it feels like temperatures will go a little higher. Dry air in place right now. It should be another comfortable start to tomorrow morning. However, it won't be as cool as it has been. We've been in the 50s last couple of mornings, probably low to mid 60s for the most part across most of the area. The hourly planner starts off into the mid 60s and will warm up to around 83, 84 degrees in the afternoon in most places, maybe a little bit warmer east of I-75. Our average high for this time of year at 83 degrees, so it will be at or slightly above average. The GFS forecast model showing sunshine tomorrow as this high pressure ridge dominates the weather, and then that slips off to the east and this frontal system approaches, and it looks like as we move through Thursday, we'll start to see an increase in cloudiness throughout the afternoon, and a chance for showers comes on Friday. It looks like mainly in the afternoon and evening. There's an isolated chance to see some thunderstorms with this front. Not a lot of activity anticipated, but we will see some rainfall. And then by Saturday, it should kind of clear out of here by midday. And then Sunday, a mixture of sun and clouds. That front will hang out to the south and then kind of work back as a warm front on Monday, and then it'll bring us a chance for showers on Monday. Well, we still have a month and a couple of days before the official end of this active hurricane season. And this is Oscar out here. Pretty amazing that it has a well-distinct small eye to it right now. It's actually gaining strength right now. It's up to Category 2 status. You see the models forecast to the north, then the northeast, well away from Bermuda, and eventually tracking off toward, looks like England and Ireland down the road. Now, as far as the latest goes on the winds, it continues to gain strength. It's at 105-mile-an-hour winds now. It's moving to the north at 9, and will continue in that general direction. Eventually, as I said, heading off toward possibly Ireland and England. We'll see how it plays out down the road. It's been an active season, 15 named storms thus far, and 8 of those hurricanes with 2 major storms. Currently here, we have clear skies and 68 degrees. It's calm out there, possibility of some patchy fog. And then the high today did warm to 83, our normal high at 82 degrees, so 1 degree above average, and this morning's low was nice and cool at 54. Here's your 7-day forecast as we see it. 85, lots of sunshine tomorrow. And for Wednesday, Halloween looks good. Sunshine, a little bit on the warm side for the trick-or-treaters. And then on Thursday, a 20% chance for shower. Look for a little bit more cloudiness around. Friday looks to be cloudy with a 70% chance for mainly showers, a few isolated thunderstorms possible. And remember, don't forget to, before you go to bed on Saturday or early Sunday morning, to move your clock back 1 hour as we change time. Sunday looks good, 81 for high after a 57-degree low to start things off. So it should be pretty nice for the weekend.
Thanks, Bob.